Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you how to fix the microphone or camera not found on your Android. So if you're having this issue, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the camera and microphone have the permission inside of Zoom. So what you need to do is tap and hold the app and head over to this eye icon. You just need to head over to the settings page where you can find the permission settings. Inside of permissions, make sure that camera is set to allow, as well as the microphone option is set to allow. If this was not set to allow, this is the exact issue that you are facing, and as soon as you tap on the allow option, the camera not found issue should be immediately fixed. If this is not the issue with you, the second thing that you can also try out is try to clear the app cache. So head back out of this section, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear out the Zoom from the recent list, as well as make sure that none of the applications are running in the background. Sometimes what happens when you previously used the microphone on camera on some other applications, they still have the access. This might be causing the conflicting issues. Even after doing all of these steps and you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall Zoom from your device and then again reinstall. Reinstalling applications helps to make sure that you have the latest version, as well as make sure that you restart your phone, because your phone might also have some glitches, and in order to solve phone glitches, you just need to restart your device. Once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the Zoom microphone or camera not found issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.